Good afternoon and welcome to the Perkins Garage's YouTube channel for a Ford Fiesta ST line walk around video. Before we get started with the walk around, if you're sat there thinking, well, I'm enjoying these walk arounds, they're pretty good these, I want to see more of these, click that subscribe button and you'll be seeing me more next week. That's a deal. So this here is a Blue Wave Ford Fiesta ST line featuring the 1 litre EcoBoost engine producing 140 PS of power. That 140 PS of power is then transmitted through the front wheels through a 6-speed manual gearbox. The vehicle itself on just over 15,000 miles, but like always, we'll get the exact number once we're on the dash in a moment. So this Fiesta boasts fantastic value for money. We've got some lovely specification on it, and the next 15 minutes or so I'm going to walk you round corner to corner, door to door, showing you all it has to offer. So first off is the remote central locking key in all of its beauty. Give you a good look at that. Now, clicking the unlock button is going to wake up the daytime running lamps. What they do is give you the ultimate visibility no matter the lighting condition. You might be sitting there thinking, what are they flashing for? That is simply because the frequency in which my camera records at. So they're not flashing in real life, they just make sure you're going to be seen by other road users. So inside there's some lovely headlights and coming all the way down to your front fog lights. Now I'm a big fan of this Blue Wave colour. It's quite a unique colour. We don't see it very often here, but you can see the metallic specks shining away in the beautiful late February sunshine. Down at the bottom you can see we've got that black gloss front grille even. I'm lost for words, and so it really aids with that colourway scheme of the vehicle. We'll touch back on that in a little while. We'll come back to the colour scheme. So these are the 18-inch rock metal alloy wheels, which mean it's a machine cut alloy. So you've got a silver shiny face, and in this instance the grey nickel colour just behind. They look amazing. They're really nice alloys on there. Again, they're 18 inches, and we have put some brand new tyres on the front of them as well. As you can see, you've still got the brand new ink on the tyres there. So lovely new tyres. Right, just going to draw your attention to the windscreen very quickly, because that there is a light sensor for the automated headlights. So as the sun goes down and the moon comes up, cool, muddled up then, your lights will come on automatically. Top of the windscreen there are 3 sensors. The long one at the bottom is a traffic speed sign recognition camera. Top left is a light sensor for the auto high beam, and to the right hand side, currently under reflection, is a rain sensor for the rain sensing wipers. So please note we have power folding and heated door mirrors. Lovely. People love folding door mirrors. So back to the colour scheme of this vehicle, we have the beautiful rear privacy glass fitted as well. So again, it breaks up the colour, so you have the black, the blue, the grey wheels. It really is a very pretty vehicle. At this stage of the video, I take a step back on the offside rear, get nice and tight to the body, just gently rock the camera down the offside. We have the light this side, as you can see. So as you can see, all the body panels are fantastic. No signs of damage, dents or anything such as that, and it's in a marvellous condition. So now we're at the bottom, let's just go back round to the offside rear wheel and give you a good look at that. Now we can move all the way around the rear of the bumper. As you can see, we have rear parking sensors on there as well, so some sort of parking aid, and it's a very pretty rear of the vehicle. So now I'm moving across now to the near side of this Fiesta. You can do the exact same as you did the offside. So get the camera nice and high, just gently rocking the camera down the near side of the body, like so. Linking it back round to the near side rear, and following it all the way down to the near side front wheel. Again, we have a brand new tyre on there as well. So that effectively is the exterior tour taken care of. Let's have a look inside the boot. Underneath the boot, this is the ever faithful Ford Fiesta rear volume. The Fiesta has been a staple of the British motor industry for many years because of the versatility of the vehicles. They're a small hatchback that still provides a very generous amount of rear boot space, whether that's a couple of suitcases, a couple of dogs, or any day-to-day life equipment. So we've got some fantastic space inside there. This vehicle also has the sound system fitted. So this is the sub and amp. We are just waiting for a brand new spare wheel to go in this hull. So this is a fitted system. I wasn't actually going to show you this because we haven't got the spare wheel arrived yet. But yeah, the spare wheel has been ordered, and this sub and amp system fits into the spare wheel lovely. So it will be provided with a spare wheel, but at the moment we haven't got that in here just yet. So that is all good to go as part of the additional B&O sound system. Right, progressing now into the rear of the vehicle. On the driver's rear door card we have this hard wearing, easy clean plastic door card. On the door cards there we also have the individual window control for the corresponding window. That made sense in my head, but I don't think the words came out in the right order. Anyway, spinning the camera around to show you the rear seats there, we have a lovely cloth interior defined by this lovely red and white stitching, crossboard pattern down the lower back and into the base part of the seat. The left hand rear and the right hand rear features the ISO fixing seats, so if you do carry those kiddies around and keep them nicely secure with the ISO fixing seating. The Fiesta has had the fitted floor mats in there already, so after purchase that's one less thing for you to worry about. Right, onwards into the front of the vehicle now. So on the driver's door card we have again that nice hardware and plastic into a cloth lower armrest, which leads into all four window controls, mirror controls and the front adjustment for the mirrors, along with the folding ability there as well. Interior locking can be found just left of the door handle. Moving down now we can see the first B&O speaker inside the vehicle. There's littered with B&O speakers all the way around. I think it's 10 individual speakers, so we have an incredible sound system on board. The two seats there, so this is the driver's and passenger seat, which are again cloth in really good condition. That lovely stitching all the way around, a cross pattern at the bottom, rear tilt, height adjustment, and we've got the height adjustment there for the front of the seat. Now I'm just going to jump inside the vehicle, which you may hear a little bit of distortion on my microphone, so please just bear with me for a moment. Okay, so now inside the vehicle, now a few things we're going to do. The first thing is the mileage, so just under 16,000 at 15,816.7. So to get started, we have an engine start stop button, foot depressed on the clutch pedal, light goes green, one click of that will start the vehicle. So the left hand side is the RPM times 1000 gauge. This counts the revolutions of the crankshaft times 1000, also known as the output power of the engine. At the bottom we have a coolant temperature sensor, a fuel gauge, and on the furthest right we have an analog speedo with miles per hour around the outside and kilometers an hour in the middle. That middle screen there could be controlled using the return, the OK up and down, and menu button on the right hand side of the steering wheel. I'll give you a bit of zoom for that. So we're currently looking at the seatbelt warning, OK that. We're straight into My View. So My View, you can customize what you'd like to see. So we're looking at a digital speedometer, a fuel economy graph, we have the chip computers, we have a calm screen. So whatever you like looking at, you can customize that yourself. Now we're into driver assistance. So the driver assistance on this vehicle is a lane keeping system, hill start assist, and a rear park pilot. Then once again we're into audio, different audio sources such as AM, FM, DAB, all your favourites there. Down into your Bluetooth phone connectivity, so once your phone is connected you can see different bits of that on there. And then we're into settings. So we've already covered the driver assistance, but that's there. Vehicle settings, this is where you can see things such as your auto high beam or headlamp delay, into locks, different mirrors such as your auto folding mirrors, windows, and your rain sensing wipers. My apologies, just the courtesy wipe in this one, my apologies. Anyway, coming out of there like so, beautiful. So the left hand side of the steering wheel, you'll find the cruise control buttons. It's very simple to cancel, set your speed plus and minus, and set your speed limiter via that right hand button. Below it we have a volume minus, a volume plus, and a mute button. Again, the right hand side is the arrows to control the screen ahead of you, along with a voice command, a pick up, decline, and previous and next song function. Down into the central part of this vehicle, we have two sprung loaded cup holders, so your drink is not going to go flying everywhere in the morning. A conventional handbrake. We have a little cluster down there with a few different buttons. A little credit card holder, which is lovely if you're in a drive-through, for example, but you'll have CarPlay now. An eco drive mode, traction control, and auto stop start on and off. 6-speed manual gearbox controls are found here. It's quite a long shifter in this one, a very positive sensation, goes into gear just lovely, as you can see. Nice positive sensation. Left hand side is a 12-volt socket, and the right hand side is a USB-A port. This is what you'll be using if you wish to take advantage of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Next up, we're into the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning controls. Nice simple system, fan speed to the left, temperature controls to the right. At the bottom, this is fitted with a winter pack, so it includes your heated front seats, heated steering wheel, and electronically heated front windscreen. On and off, rear demist, different flows of vents are found in the middle, free circulation, and air conditioning is found to the right hand side. Now we can move on up just a little bit to the Sync 3 module. So we can tell it's Sync 3 because we have a white band at the bottom, divides into audio, bottom left. Let me just turn that down a bit there, look, into sources. And the sources available are AM, FM, DAB, and Bluetooth audio. Next up, click on phone. This is where you can add your phone via Bluetooth connectivity. Next up is mobile apps. Add a device, find mobile apps. We go into settings. I believe we've got the widget somewhere. There we are, for the Apple CarPlay. So there's a few different features about Apple CarPlay. So this vehicle doesn't come with forward navigation as standard, and to some people that might be a problem. But if you have a mini computer in your pocket, such as an iPhone, plug your phone in using a USB data charging cable, and it will mirror your phone onto this screen. There are many different features about that, but the main one is there are apps on your phone that are compatible on this screen, such as navigation. Not only just your standard navigation, you get Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, whichever you prefer using, they're all compatible on this screen. So if you're looking at this vehicle saying, oh, I don't want to buy it because it hasn't got nav, and you have a smartphone in your pocket, reconsider, because you have the ability of applying navigation onto this screen, which is a lovely feature indeed. I also like it because A, it charges my phone, and B, I can use my voice command feature, such as voice control. From there you can send commands via your voice to your phone, such as play music, set navigation, call home, send audible text messaging, play podcasts, play music, or even what is the football score. Anything you like, but it doesn't, not touching your phone whilst you're driving. I'm just going to leave you on the site of when you put it into reverse, that activates the rear park pilot. So in this instance, it is your rear parking sensors, so you shall get an intermittent beep, that increase in frequency as you get closer to the object in question. So thanks very much for watching this very short video in this instance of this Ford Fiesta ST line with some fantastic spec on board and a fantastic value for money vehicle. Any more information you may require, please do give us a call on 01376 550 899. Thanks for watching, please like the video, subscribe, and I'll be speaking to you very soon. Bye bye for now.